Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about the limit a approach to positive infinity, and we have the integration from number 1 to a. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to secant of t, because if I put this one going here, we have secant of t square minus 1, we change tan t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. We have secant of t tan t dt. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 1, so we put number 1 to here to find the value of t. So t equals to number 0. When s equal to a, so we put a going here, and now we have t equal to a secant of a. Number 1 we change by number 0. Number a we change by a secant of a. This one we put this one going here and here. The s we change by this one. This one we have tan t square. The square root of tan t square, we have tan t. Now we need to simplify, and we have dt. The integration of dt, we have t. And now we put the bounds from 0 to a secant of a. Now we put this one going here. So we have a secant of a minus 0. Now we need to simplify, and we have like this. So when a approach to positive infinity, a secant of a, we have b over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.